Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Play phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Kaseng United Democratic Party kalapalat patba ikilay pho arngot ki kyrtong ki banya aireng ha ka election shaka yung darbar thawan ka jilla jong usnem arhajar arpulai ha ka wat baningkong. Ya ka ka jing Pynbna kyrtengi ki kyrtong lapin skodo ba met ba lingdo President Kaseng. Ya ka bala puli kyrteng do Dr. Jemino Mautho men kan riuterik uno pra. Haga jimpin na kertong la pelong ho office tray kam jaga party. Ya ka baladon ki kertong light tang arngut kim syam ladon. Ki kerteng bala penna ki babun hi ki MLA. Ki kerteng bala penna da ki election committee. Ka UDP ki longkat kum ki district na East Jantia. Kermen Shilla Kli Riyadh constituency. Ubaday u cabinet ministry. Na West Jantia Hills uma lakmen rembui amlarem. Uma Moonlight Pariat Jawai, uma Nujor Ki Sungo na Mukayaw, uma Dawan Ningdo MDC na Nartiang. Na Eastern West Khas Hills District, uba Brolding Nongsit Mount Harashan, u President ke UDP, u Speaker ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, met ba Lingdo. Na West Khas Hills District, ba Polestar Nongsit, Nongston, na East Khas Hills District, u Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC ba Titos Khan na Sora, u MLA Balaji Sindrem na Sheila, u Dr. Osapi Jirwa na Mauringkneng, u ba Olansun na Mausenram, u ba Remington Pingrop na Maukenro, u ba Anthony Kongwang na Pin Ursla, bat u ba HDR Lingdo na Soyong constituency. Na Shillong City, u ba Mitchell Wankar MDC na Milim, u Dr. Amanwar North Shillong, u ba Paul Lingdo na West Shillong, u Dr. Jemino Mautho na Nongthamai. Na Southwest Khas Hills u Piers Marwin na Ranikor constituency, na Ribhoy District u ba Baya Hunlang Magdo na Mauhati. U Bathok Nong Mali na Jirang. U ba Sunshine Makri na Umsning. Na Garo Hills u Luderberg CH Momin, Kharkuta, Subroto G Marak, Mendi Pathar, Tapaj D Marang, Rezubel Para, Rakman CH Marang, Bajeng Doba, Andreas G. Momin, Rongjeng, Ronald Rickman Sangma, Salman Para, Kennethson R. Sangma Dalu, and Ashehel D. Shira Raja Bala.
Which the State Election Committee has approved. And after reading out the names, later on I'll call each and every one of them, one by one, to come forward. And I would like to request our respected President to do the honor of felicitating them. So I will read out the list to make the first announcement of the list of candidates who are going to contest in the coming Assembly elections 2023. I will read out the names of the candidates whom the State Election Committee has approved on the 22nd of November 2022. I just wanted to remind you that on the 22nd of November, the State Election Committee sat and the State Election Committee approved 32 names. This is the first list, 32 names from the different constituencies, from the different districts of the state of Meghalaya. But unfortunately, because of the Mukro incident, we were not able to make the announcement on the 22nd of November, so we had to postpone it till today. So as requested by the from UDP, from East Jandia Hills District, from 6th Riyadh constituency, Shri Kermen Shilla, from West Jandia Hills District, West Jandia, I'll read out the names first and then we will call one by one. From West Jandia Hills District, we have 5 candidates. From 1 Nartiang constituency, Shri Dawan Lingdo. From 2 Jowai constituency, Shri Moonlight Pariat. From Tri Raliang constituency, Shri J. Trailang Suchang. From Po Mukayao constituency, Shri Nujorki Sungo. From 7 Amlarem constituency, Shri Lakman Rumbui. From Ribhoi district, we have 3 candidates. From 8 Mahati constituency, Shri Bayahon Lang Makdo. From 10 Jirang constituency, Shri Badhok Nongmale. From 11 Umsling constituency, Shri Sunshine Makri. From East Khasi Hills district, from 13 Maurinkling constituency, Dr. Osafi Spitson Jirwa. From 20 Malayam constituency, Shri Mitchell Wankar. From 23 Soyong constituency, Shri HDR Lingdo. From 25 Mausanram constituency, Shri Olan Singh Sun. From 26 Shela constituency, Shri Balajit Kupar Sinrem. From 27 Punursla constituency, Shri Anthony Khongwang. From 28 Sora constituency, Shri Tito Starwell Khan. From 29 Maukanro constituency, Shri Remington Pingro. So altogether, 8 candidates from East Khasi Hills. Then from West Khasi Hills district, we have from 32 Nongson constituency, Shri Polestar Nongsit. Then we come to Eastern West Khasi Hills district. From 31 Mount Hat Rashan constituency, Shri Brolding Nongsit. From 30 Mairang constituency, Shri Metba Lingdo. And then we come to Southwest Khasi Hills. From 35 Ranikor constituency, Shri Pius Marwin. Then we come to Shillong City. From 17 North Shillong constituency, Dr. Amanwar. From 18 West Shillong, Shri Paul Lingdo. From 21 Nongtamai constituency, Dr. Jemino Mauto. And then we have 3 candidates as of now from Shillong City. And then we have from Garo Hills. From North Garo Hills district, we have 4 candidates. From 37 Kharkuta constituency, Shri Ludaberg C.H. Momin. From 38 Mendipathar constituency, Shri Subroto G. Mara. From 39 Resubelpara constituency, Shri Tapoish D. Mara. From 40 Bajangdova constituency, Shri Rakman C.H. Mara. And then we have from East Garo Hills district, from 42 Rongjeng constituency, Shri Andreas G. Momin. And then finally we have from West Garo Hills district, 2 candidates. From Southwest Garo Hills, we have from 55 Salman Para constituency, Shri Ronald Rickman Sangma. And then we have from West Garo Hills district, 2 candidates. From 57 Dalu constituency, Shri Kenneth R. Sangma. And we have from 47 Rajabala constituency, Shri Ashahel D. Shira.
Nisroban ang ba habang isngap iya kibabuan balang manta sharung seneng man mangilay sa kidong bitahan kibaper ngisutu ba kibabuan kipaiba kikwa man ay no iya kajikasan kabupura iya kapati ni UDP ban kabakhamsong tunat susu kalong ba kidon bon ki leader na ki national party menta kilawan iya kaban penyeslo but the UDP. Ngi pension show sa Kiway State, kuma Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, nanta West Bengal, Orissa, Bakumta Tata. Kini ru kini ki regional party ki basensia dala dia. Para mengipet lagi babon lagi ni state. Ni isibon ki development, pat sibon ki kam ki begitre. Kalong baik nak bentak ke welfare, jong ki nongsok senong ki badan apa kata state. Hagani ka jo onorim nak jong ni. Kum ka party UDP. Kum balo tren bateng snow bene. Kalong pangi kwa banyui ba ka party UDP kan wan hagan sensia. But I ia ka sensia ka bet ka biang ka penolong ia ka community jong ki ba jong state. Di hagan ka puan nak jonga kalong kelingko sni bat ka jaran khatu baga de sni ka bangi burom ya ka wei na kinong ni le kinong yakun jong ke ching lai lo ka phan no mai le si ka arpo atare ka bangi la jit anu blai wala dep ngim sim la ban penlong ya ka jing Pynbna yang di kyrtong jungi nak parti UDP. Penwandur mentang sini ngekat bat kani kadang yakun bat kanong ya le ya ka jing lai dot kapan no mai ngape bat nakalian ke parti rungi pedlang ya ki kandidat mentang ki bagilah jet officially haka first list jong ka parti UDP bakin pe batre ya kam da ke jingtu ban pe nagabanta ke state par ke jaipur ke ujongi haga state ke jongi labon teli kisnem ngilayo I ba ke jinsincha ke don the national party but ngimla klaim da pet bat nujor bat kiwi bat ki political bat kiwi bat state kung Mizoram ke Nagaland Sikkim hakaba kini ki regional party ki wan bat ki sensyar kabor namar ngidon hangi ka UDP ya ka bala seng bat sedang da lead iki molo rekat bat ki no yalam ki leader hakatu kabor ban na somanong bagi don yang ke parti ke pebet ke biang ban yo ia ka jinsincha ke pura hagani ke por ke pamantang ia snow na ki saudong saukun ia ka jing ut ia ka jing nam joki bobon balang ke don ke jing dawa baka dei bandon ke jing kelah ka sincha kada ni don ke UDP ban ai ban terwa sekipai pa jong kastin nama ngisong tu khambam ha ka bedei ban ka identity la ne ka jinglong jai bin riu dulu jumi ban ngisong tu ru naga banta kino ki bang imut ban plan la ne ban perkhat ha ka bedei naga banta ki jai bin riu jumi ban aga ju opor ni don kata ka rukom perkhat ka balai lu naga bentak sinsyar kada dengan so banong bakane ka UDP ka bangidon ngila banai yang ban gejing penur long ya kita gejing angur jong ki pai ba jong kastil ki jodi hakaba ya gidi ki bobon kisnem la sinsyar da ki nong yalam jong ki political party na sabar jong kastil hakaba kim simnala ban penur long ya kita kijin community jong ki pai ba ngi kum ka UDP hani ngila ban sim ya garai hala ka jong state ngim don kam ya kata ka high command lagu bagi we ke political party ngim don kam ya kata ka jing control da manore ki baca bar jong state ngila ai bangin sensyal ngila ai bangin rai ngila ai ban ya penbet ban ngila ai ban penyai ya ki kam tang daladi idon kabor bangin le dalade ya de nagada daw ya mentang idon ako sorkar ndre ya bang yetren ya ginombar kalau gay Kapadawa yani menta nakabentak arjar alpulai. Bangin haban sutu. Bangi dei bandon sibon kinong mikman haga Meklia Legislative Assembly. Lon komta nginiai telun siai telun kumni. Temna don kinu so jong kata ka jing angno jong ipai pa ban penolong. Haga ni dikabenta ngi pai den hagi election kibalada la persangkar bala gidong elam kiba per ban len se kipai ba ban ya wer ya kipai ba nakabenta ban ai ya kejegesang jong kipai ba hagi election bo per ndre ga kot kalong habanyon ya gisit kibangi yekon yo pra yo sipo yo kadwe but hagan galas cham yo ndre kapan nong line. And being a representative from the district, Eastern West Council district, Hanong Line is a freedom fighter and she's a great leader. We salute her today. And we look up to all these candidates whom we have announced today to fight this election on the ground that it is for the service to the people of our own state. The state of Meghalaya has always been and seen as a national party dominating the political landscape of this northeastern state. Unlike other states like Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, where regional parties rule the roost. The UDP that was founded by late Ike Maulong is a meager player here. At present, there is a growing need of a strong independent political alternative which could stand up for the aspirations of the people of the state. In politics, regionalism is an ideology that highlights the local identity, the need for independent regional planning, and administrative freedom. I feel there is a scope for a regional political party in the state to fulfill the dreams of the youth and the need of the people of Meghalaya, which the national parties perhaps have failed in doing so. In UDP, we have no high command, no big boss culture, political arrogance to stops us from thinking about our own state. That is why a section of people who were associated with these national parties has now joined the UDP.